Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujaz Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about unit number 4, and the name of unit is types of websites. This is our content list in which we will discuss about type of websites, personal websites, social networking websites, blogs, forums, wiki websites, news websites, e-commerce websites and government websites. So let's move towards types of websites. There are different types of websites: personal, social, blog, forums, wiki, news, e-commerce. Personal websites are owned by individuals with their personal profile features on it and the things that they are interested in. These websites have a limited scope and it does not take too much capital to put on of them on the internet, like www.darakhan.com.pk, darakhan.com.pk. So this is a personal website and which you don't have much need about the capital, so you can develop your own website and you can set your own personal profile on that website. Social networking websites are the top visited ones, as they are created purely for socializing and catching up with friends, etc. So few of these websites include networking for both business and personal use, like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So these are the social networking websites, and there can be business and personal use for as well. And blogs is a short form of web blogs. Blogging is very popular as it provides an individual direct communication with the readers, their feedback through sharing, etc. Blogging has become one of the marketing strategies for many companies, and many sportspersons, businessmen, and actors are using it to contact with their audience. Some of the best blogging websites are Huffington Post and TMZ, etc. So the sportsmen and businessmen are like we have a number of companies and actors are using blogs, and through those they are getting popularity, and they are direct communicating with their readers, and the readers or the viewers give feedback on their blogs, and they share their thoughts about those personalities of those blogs. Then for forums, a web forum is a website or section of a website that allows visitors to communicate with each other by posting messages. Most forums allow anonymous visitors to view forums posting, but required to create an account in order to post a message in the forum. When posting in a forum, create a new topic or threads or post replies within the existing threads. Web forums are available for all kinds of topics. Examples include software support, help for webmasters, and programming discussions. While lots of web forums focus on IT topics, they are not limited to information technology. There are forums related to health, fitness, cars, houses, teaching, parenting, and thousands of other topics are available on the forums are available on different topics. And some forums are general, like our fitness forum, etc., as we have discussed on the very top that these can be available on the internet. Then wiki website. Wiki is a website that allows users to add and update content on the site using their own web browser. This is made possible by wiki software that runs on a web server. wikis end up being created mainly by a collaborative effort on of the site visitors. A great example of large wiki is Wikipedia, a free encyclopedia in many languages that anyone can edit. Thousands of users adding content to wiki website on a regular basis. The site could grow super fast. And then news website, nowadays every newspaper, magazine and TV channel has its own online edition. These websites allow users from all over the world to have access to the latest news, and they are also providing e-newspaper online. Now users can also view newspaper online instead of purchasing newspaper in a hard form. Some of the examples are Din News, Jung News, Jung.com.pk are available on the website, on the internet. E-commerce website, they are mainly transactional ones, which allow to shop from home. For many consumers, they are like an online store, and for businessmen, they are a great way of conducting the business without the need of an expensive outlet. Some of the websites that make money from e-commerce are Amazon, eBay, etc. So businessmen does their businesses through e-commerce websites. Like we have different websites like pizza. We order the pizza from there, and they bring to us, they deliver to us. So these are like a e-commerce website, business website. Then government website, all the government department of almost every country in the world has their own website, so the information can be given to the public on a regular basis. They have a suffix .gov at the end. For instance, the website of department Sindh is sindh.gov.pk. So these are the website, and we have different website, like we have institutes website, so we can add those, and government websites. This is a government web, so sindh.gov.pk, punjab.gov.pk, and so on, which are the provinces are available in Pakistan. So the websites will be available. So dear students, is there any query you can ask, you can comment, even you can mail me, and you can send me a message on WhatsApp as well. I have provided my mail and WhatsApp number. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.